This is Macy. She is a domestic long-hair. She's a Calico. She has this really poofy tail, which is really similar to a Maine Coon. So she might be a mix. And she's a Polydactyl, so she's a Hemingway cat. And she actually has 7 digits on each paw. She will take some grooming, but she is spayed, neutered, or she is spayed, vaccinated, and microchipped. She's not tremendously good with other cats, but seems to be okay with dogs as long as the dog is okay with her and won't chase her. Macy! She's a super friendly, loving cat with people. She loves attention. She is fairly vocal, so keep that in mind.